Ballet dancing course, the ultimate masterclass. Here's the system to help anyone learn ballet dancing from home and guarantees results with one-on-one private coaching. The easiest and most effective way to learn ballet dancing online. Imagine being able to move your body with grace and confidence like a seasoned ballet dancer, easily and in a shortest time without paying for expensive lessons or getting self-conscious in live classes. The entire program consists of over 50 videos with a total runtime of 8 hours, systematically teaching all major types of belly dance, steps and combinations that leaves nothing to the imagination. It's the most jam-packed and intensive belly dancing course you'll ever experience. 50 videos with a total running time of 8 hours of in-depth lessons. Step-by-step belly dance instruction program presented in an easy-to-follow format. 3 different teachers covering 5 major styles of ballet dancing. Suitable for both beginners and seasoned dancers. Learn over 40 isolated body movements, each visually demonstrated and verbally described with on-screen visual aids. All basic moves are covered in the first 2 hours, so you will be up and running quickly. Clearly see all movements from multiple viewing angles, including full body and up close. Then perform fluid combinations of the moves you've learned. So what makes this the ballet dancing course? Over 50 videos, 8 hours of dancing moves, combinations, layers and techniques. Fun, engaging step-by-step and easy-to-follow video instructions. Different teachers and 5 dance styles. Excellent for beginnings and advancing dancers. Innovative fast-track method and award-winning production. And at last, instant access to videos.